Hi guys, and this Tecno device came in for repair. I want to show you the problem right here. It has two problems. Okay, it has the headphone logo, and also it shows question mark inside the battery, symbol right there. Inside the battery logo, you can see that question mark right there. Can you see it? Instead of it to show the percentage or it to show where the battery level is it's writing a question mark right inside that battery indicator right there, or battery logo right there on the screen. Many people get this problem, they don't know how to repair it, but I've been able to troubleshoot, to look for where the problem is on the phone through my schematic diagram. If you want to know more about how to read schematic diagram, please join our online training, or you come for physical training. Now, tracing the faults right into the power management IC, and remember that the phone is powering on. It's not that the phone is dead, but we have to pop out the power IC because the lines are right inside it. Now, I discovered these pads were corroded, all right, by water or liquid. Even that, the one on my left hand side, which is this one, looks like a bullet has just went through it, but it's okay. We've got this. Now we need to repair the pads. As you can see, there is open circuit right on the pad. There's a breakage, if you can see very well. That's why I've zoomed it so that you guys can see. Now this is a process of repairing the pad and solving the question mark on the battery, solving that question mark on the battery and the headphone as well. So please take your time to watch the entire video and see how we're able to repair this problem. If you are interested in our online training or physical training, all right, DM us on the numbers on the screen and we are going to help you become a better technician. That's a promise. All right, now I'm going to remove the insulation of my wire. So this is not as big as it looks. It's because I zoomed in the the microscope. So now I'm going to be using this wire to repair the pad, and this is a technique that you need to master. As a technician, you need to master this skill because it's gonna help you. It's gonna go a long way in your repair skills. All right, so now how do you learn how to do this? First you need someone who could guide you how to go about this. That's why we have put down our online training and physical training for anyone who is willing to upgrade their skills. We have 2 weeks upgrade package. We have 3 weeks, 1 week, 4 weeks upgrade. All right, for those that are already in the field. But if you are an amateur, or you are new into this mobile repair, definitely you're going to spend more than that number of days. Okay, so any way you want it, just make sure you DM us and let's see how we can help you become a better technician. We have people who have traveled. You can say, oh, I'm very far. It's okay, you can join the online training if you are far, and if you don't mind traveling down here, accommodation is also available, although it's not free. All right, but where you can stay is very much available. I want you to pay close attention on how I'm repairing the pads. All right, this takes several practice. Okay, for those that are just into micro soldering, this might take you some time before you can get how to repair a pad. Some people have shaky hands when they are working under microscope. With much practice you find yourself getting better. All right, now I hope you are enjoying this video. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. And if you are interested in our online training or physical training, irrespective of where you are, outside the country, outside Nigeria or inside Nigeria, we got you covered. All right, so as you can see, I'm using my UV oil to to insulate that side, which is very important. Okay, now after I'm done with the pad repair, I'm gonna move um into the reballing of the IC. Remember, we have a spot on the IC that was also bad, and that has been taken care of as well. So if you want to learn all these things, you need to join our online training or physical training. Many people don't know how to reball. Many people face issues reballing. They've tried several times and they failed. Some people got the reballing, but the balls are bigger than each other. They are not equal balls. We have the trick that we can teach you, so that you know how to go about all these things with ease. If you are interested in our online training, like I said earlier, please DM us on the numbers on the screen. We are going to help you, you know, become a better technician. All right, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Hope you are learning from my troubleshooting and repair right on the screen. All right, and removal of an IC, you need to know the orientation of your IC while you took it out. You need to be alert. And reballing is not hard. All right, all you need to do is to take your time to study, use the right tools as well. All of these things are already said in our online and physical training. So if you're interested, you join in. All right, it is not cheap and it is very, very affordable at the same time. All right, you can see I'm already installing the power IC right onto the PCB, rather. So now that's how to do it. Now I'm going to plug in the charger and see the behavior of this phone. If the problem is solved, if it's not solved, then you're going to check what else to do. Now, regarding this problem, it's not a common problem. It happens once in a while, but anytime you come across this, I hope you know what to do. All right, and if you still don't get what I did, all right, which I've already exposed a lot of things in this video, but if you don't get it, please come to our online training or physical training, and you are going to be the best. A lot of people are sharing testimony. Join those people, be among those that are sharing their testimonies about the improvement they've gotten in their repair in their offices through our lessons, through our online training, and you will not regret it as well, because the phone is back and working. If you get this type of device, are you going to know what to do, or you won't know? Leave it down in the comment section. All right, what you think about this repair. All right, what stood out for you? And if you have any question as well, you may ask in the comment section. All right, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you again in another video. Take care of yourself. Peace.